Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. I will go with my browser one. Enter your current login method and tap on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!